Hello everyone. I'm bringing you another Power Vinyasa class this morning. So this is the third Power Vinyasa class on my YouTube channel. It'll be a fun 20-minute flow where we're gonna get our heart rates up. So if you need to take a break, please do. Otherwise, let's get energized together. All right guys, from seated, we're gonna shift towards the front of our mat and just allow yourself to find a comfortable seat. Lift your heart up nice and high, and then inhale, extend your arms up and over your head. Exhale, seated spinal twist to the right. So place your hand behind you, look over the shoulder. And then inhale, return to center, reach up really high. Exhale, seated spinal twist to the left. Good, inhale, you're gonna slowly come back to center, reach up nice and high, switch the cross of your feet, and then we're gonna exhale, walk our hands forward. So you can either stay here or let your hands walk out and fold in. And just stretch the lower part of your back. Inhale, take your time, bring yourself back up. And then exhale, we're gonna find boat to warm the belly. So you're gonna pull your knees into your chest, extend your feet forward and elevate your heart. From here, we're gonna reach our arms out in front of us and then just breathe as we start to feel our belly work. Take a full inhale, we're gonna exhale, lower halfway down to the ground. Good, and then slowly inhale, come back up, bend your knees to the chest, bring your heart forward. Let's do that 3 more times. So exhale, the legs long. Come back up. Use your hands if you need to on the earth. Exhale down, return. And then we have one more. So we're gonna exhale, lower, and then bring ourselves back up. Good, let's cross our ankles. We'll step back into our first downward facing dog. Step back here. Spread your fingers nice and wide. Lengthen your hips up. Soften your knees and press your heart back to your thighs. And then inhale, forward in a plank, mobility of the shoulders, exhale back. And then 2 more times, inhale forward for 1, exhale back. Last one, inhale forward, and then we're gonna exhale, raise our hips back. Good, separate the fingers nice and wide, exhale, press down through your feet. And then inhale, we're gonna lift out of our right leg, reach it up high, exhale, bend the knee and open the hip. Push back. Inhale, straighten the leg, close the hip, bring the knee tightly to the chest, and then inhale, reach it back up high. Exhale, we're gonna touch our right elbow. Inhale, reach it up high. And then we're gonna touch our left elbow. Inhale, reach it up high, and then let's repeat that. So bend your knee, open your hip, lift your thigh. Exhale, straighten the leg, close the hip, knee to chest for 1. Leg up, knee to right elbow for 2, leg up, and then we're going knee to left elbow for 3. Good work, leg up, and then exhale, release it down. Come forward to your first plank. We're gonna lower all the way down to our stomach, so slowly release down, and then untuck your toes for me. From here, we're gonna inhale, baby cobra, bhujangasana, heart up, and then exhale, we're gonna bring our chest back down. 2 more like that. Inhale, baby cobra. So really use your feet, use your back muscles, feel your body. Exhale, lower. And then 1 more time. Inhale, lift, lift, lift. Feel your back. If you want to, maybe use your hands more. Stay here. Come up, lift your heart. And then exhale as we curl our toes. We'll press back to our down dog. We'll raise our left leg, bend our knee, and open our hip. We're gonna straighten our leg, and we're gonna close our hip and bring our knee into our chest. Inhale, raise our leg up. Exhale, touch our left arm. Inhale, raise your leg up. Exhale, touch your right arm. Inhale, raise your leg up, and then repeat. Bend your knee, open your hip. Pause here, press your chest back. Try to keep your shoulders even, and then straighten the leg, close the hip, knee to chest. 1 more time on the left, 1 more time on the right. So bring it in tight, lift it up, bring it in tight, lift it up. Exhale to your down dog. Inhale to plank, and now lower through your full vinyasa, chaturanga. Inhale, pull the heart forward and up, and then exhale back through your downward facing dog. We're gonna inhale our right leg high, exhale the knee to the chest, pause, keep coming, and now step through. From here, inhale, rise. So you're gonna find crescent lunge. You're gonna reach your fingertips to the sky, and then you're gonna work on really engaging your stomach muscles. So breathe in here. Exhale as you lean forward, reach back with your arms, and then that's where we start to build the power here in this bottom leg. Inhale, come back up. And then exhale, we're gonna lean forward and reach back. Let's do that again. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, reach forward, arms back. Take your time here and then really lift out of this back heel. Stay strong, breathe in. Inhale, breathe in, arms up, and then exhale, open to warrior two. So as you bend into your front knee, keep your arms nice and long. Reverse your warrior for me, full breath in. Exhale, side angle, put your forearm on your thigh, even if you can go deeper, and then just engage your legs. From here, we're gonna really push into our feet, take our bottom arm under, so we're framing our head. Biceps are along my ears, and I'm gonna try to rotate up towards the sky. Take a full inhale, exhale, warrior two. Inhale, reverse your warrior, and then again, land forearm to thigh. Reach your top arm overhead, stay strong here. You're gonna use your obliques a lot, and then this bottom arm's gonna come up for three, rotate two, forearm comes down, warrior two. Good, inhale, reverse the warrior. Let's lift out of this leg, give it a little break. Exhale, rebend the knee, bring the hands down, plank pose. Chaturanga push-up, down and up, side plank on the right. Bring the hand to center, separate your feet. Inhale, raise your left arm up. Reach high through the sky. We're gonna lower down with our hips, reach forward with the top arm, and then inhale up. Three more of those. One, bring it up. Exhale, feel the work. Inhale, reach. Last time, lower. Big lift. Exhale, plank. Single chaturanga push-up, ready for it, down and up. And then other side, left hand to center, scissor your feet, inhale, reach. Good, stay here or join me, dip. 1, 2, and 3. Good, get really tall here, breathe in. Exhale, plank, full vinyasa. Inhale up. And then exhale, we're gonna come back to our down dog. Take our left leg straight up from here, bring the knee to the chest, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Step through. Nice, from there, make sure your legs are firm, and then we're gonna inhale, come up into our lunge. Second side, so you should feel a bit warmer, your heart rate should be up. It's very cold where I am right now, so I'm getting warmer, so I'm hoping you are too. And then exhale, we're gonna come forward, and then really firm this leg. And then we're gonna inhale, come back up. Good, exhale, come forward. Super strong. Inhale, come back up. And then exhale, come forward, really hold it, and then lift out of this back heel, super strong through this front leg. Stay, stay, stay. Inhale up, and then we find warrior two. So we bend the front knee. Make your legs strong, feel your body. And then when you're ready, inhale, we're gonna reverse. Exhale, resting the forearm to the thigh, taking your bicep by your ear. So again, use your feet, okay? Lots of effort. Reach both arms and then rotate. Really firm in your legs, stay strong. Exhale, return to your warrior two. Again, we're gonna reverse. We're gonna bring our forearm to our thigh. We're gonna reach our top arm over our head. Start to firm your core, use your legs, and then reach. Hold it, hold it, hold it. 3, rotate your belly. 2, return. Inhale, reverse. Now let's straighten out this leg, give it a little break. Exhale, bring your hands down, step into plank. 1 chaturanga push-up, down and up. And now side plank on your left hand first, Vashisthasana. So inhale, reach. Good, breathe in. This time that bottom leg, which is your left leg, is gonna touch your right elbow. And then reach. 1, 2, one more time, and 3. Return to plank. If you can, give me the chaturanga push-up. Down, up, and then we'll switch. Right hand, scissor, left arm up. Reach through your front fingertips, breathe in here. Now we're gonna take this bottom leg, which is our right leg, touch our left elbow. 1, reach. 2, reach. And then 3, reach. Exhale through your full vinyasa, so you'll center it up, lower. Inhale up, and then exhale, push back. Good, take your time here. We're gonna jump or step to our hands, so bend the knees, hop forward, halfway lift, and then forward fold. A lot of wrist stuff with our side plank, so step into your hands, and then apply pressure to your wrist as you fold in. Soften your knees, lengthen out of the lower back. Exhale, fold in a little bit more. Soften through the low back and the hamstrings, apply pressure to the hands, move the toes a little bit. Inhale, lift out of your low back by reaching your heart forward. And then exhale from here, fold. Inhale, strong legs, firm quads, reach all the way up. And then bring the hands to heart center for me. From here, I want you to slowly bend your knees. We're gonna take king chair where our feet are nice and open, and we're gonna sink down into our squat. Exhale, stand. Good, 3 more of those. Inhale, reach. Exhale, stand. Inhale, reach. Exhale, stand. One more time. Inhale, reach. Exhale, stand. Keep your feet where they are. Try not to shift your hips too much. Slide your right hand down your leg, reach your left arm up. And then feel the pull again from the obliques. Return to center, inhale, reach. Exhale, second side. Bring your left hand down, reach your right arm up and over. Reach, 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 push and pull. And then slowly return, inhale, both arms high. Exhale, back to chair. So hands at heart as you sink down. Good, keep your heart lifted forward and then just kind of pulse up and down. So adding some ballistic movement here. Feel your legs and the effort in your core, and then inhale, take your arms up, find stillness. Good, 4 more of those. Squat to stand, 1. Inhale up, exhale 2, last 2. Inhale, stand, 1 more up, and then release. Take your arms way up into the air, stretch, and then Uttanasana is your forward fold. Halfway lift your spine, big breath in. Exhale, fold forward, breath out. From here, the feet will touch and the left leg will lift up high. We'll fold over this right leg and then work into the bending of the knee, lift the heel up high. Exhale, bend your right knee, place your left knee behind it. And then we're gonna bring our hands to our heart, so flatten out your back. Good, hold your balance. We're gonna reach our arms out wide. From here, we're gonna stand straight up through warrior 3, use your core, find your balance, and breathe. 3, lift through the heart. 2, take a large step back. So you're gonna find your crescent, inhale, back bend. Good, exhale, lower the left hand down. Inhale, sweep your right arm high. Last time in side plank, shift your feet, step them right on top of each other. Breathe in, exhale, feed this hand under. Inhale, breathe in. Exhale, feed this hand under. 1 more, inhale up. Exhale, feed it under. Inhale up and breathe. Good, exhale, plank. We'll lower through chaturanga. We'll inhale, press out of our back bend. And then we'll exhale, pull it back. You're gonna look forward, you're gonna step or jump. So let the knees bend, big hop and fold. Separate your feet, inhale, find your king chair. So knees are bent, arms are up. Exhale, stand for 1. Inhale up, exhale 2. Last 2, inhale up, exhale 3. 1 more, inhale. Exhale 4. Again into those standing lateral stretches, right hand down, left arm up, reach, reach, reach. Come back through center, get long. Second side, left hand down, reach, reach, reach to the right. Come back up, lift, and then exhale, chair. Bring the hands to the heart, add those pulses. So again, warming through your legs. 3, 2, take the arms up, exhale, stand 1, last 3. See if you can hit the ground. Stand 2, inhale 3, last time, and 4. Good job, guys. Take a big back bend, and then exhale to fold forward. Halfway lift your spine, exhale as you fold, feet come together, inhale, right leg high. Really breathe into the back of those legs, lift it up, and then exhale, bend the left knee, place the right knee behind it. And then exhale, we're gonna bring our hands to our heart for balance. Good, spine is flat. Keep balancing, reach out. Keep balancing, engage your core, feel the strength, and then push back with one foot, reach your heart forward. Hold here, 3, it's a tough pose. 2, exhale, giant step back. Inhale, you're gonna take a big lunge. And then exhale the right hand down, final side plank, reach up. And then we're gonna step directly back. 1, 2, 3, feet together. Take this top arm, it's gonna roll under slowly. And then up for 1. Roll under slowly. And then up for 2. One more time, roll under slowly. And then up for 3. Good, take your time, bring your hand back down, high plank. Exhale, lower, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog, lift. And then exhale, press back to down dog. From here, jump through to seated. So 1, 2, 3, cross and have a seat. We're gonna return right back to that boat where we started, okay? So you're gonna pull your knees up and in, and you're gonna reach your toes forward. Now you can keep holding your legs, you can put your hands next to you, it's totally up to you. Reach out, exhale, lower halfway down. Good, strong, strong core, come back up. 2 more of those for me. Lower, lift. Last one, lower, and lift. Good, stay here, lift, lift, lift. Maybe you can hold those legs and then push up. Maybe you can keep your legs there, really strong quads. Reach forward, 3, lift, 2. Good, cross the ankles, 1. Inhale, reach high. Exhale, seated spinal twist. So back to our first pose, look over the shoulder. Inhale, reach up. Now that you're warmer, notice the difference. Exhale, twist left. Inhale, come back to center, reach up. Quick switch your feet. And then exhale, forward fold. Good work, breathe out. Inhale as you lengthen halfway. Exhale, refold. Quiet mind, quiet body. Inhale, bring yourself back up. Take a strong seated pose here and just bring your hands to your heart for me and just start to close off your breath. Close off your mind to the outside world and whatever you have going on today, and allow yourself to feel the beat of your heart, to find the strength from your movement and focus. I hope each one of you have a beautiful day. Thank you for joining me for this third power flow together. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below, and let's bow forward together. Namaste. Thank you guys so much for practicing with me.